Hey guys, what's up? Spads here again with another video for you, and today I'm gonna share with you my item that I bought online that I'm very excited to share with you guys. It's been a long time that I wanted to, buy this item for my motorcycle, and I just haven't got a good deal off of it up until now. I got 50% off of its original price online, so I bought it, have it delivered to my house, and it just arrived today. So I'm really excited. And what is the best way to share it to you guys is through a unboxing video and upload it to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy this, and let's go ahead and unbox this thing kasi ang bigat niya and gusto ko nang buksan. Let's go. Okay guys, so ito yung box, and maybe you're wondering bakit may parang humihilik na tao. Kasi as you can see, shift ko lang natutulog yung aso namin sa gilid at humihilik. So I apologize for that. Can't really, take him off of the bed as I'm doing this. So bear with me on that one. So let's go ahead and open this up. Siyempre, opening knife. And saan kaya tayo magsa-start? Okay, let's go ahead and dito. Ayan. Okay, so maybe you're wondering kung saan ko na bili to. I got off a sweet deal of it online. If mahuhulaan nyo kung ano to, comment down below. Ayan. Okay, halagay muna natin dyan. And Shanan! Ayan. Paddock Stand for motorcycle. I've been trying to buy this item for a long time now since I, bought the motorcycle because kailangan natin yan. And the original price of the Paddock Stands ranges from about 2,000 to 2,500 depending on the build quality and everything. But I found this online at around 1,600 or 1,700, and luckily I got it off. Meron silang promo during the 10/10 of the Shopee October 10 sale, and all of the vouchers, the discounts, and my Shopee coins that I applied, it went down to around 1,000 pesos. So 1,000 pesos for this Paddock Stand. Grabe, mas laki ng tipid ko, almost 50% off or 60 or 70% off sa Paddock Stand. So hopefully okay yung quality niya and it will hold up the bike. Based on the reviews that I got online, okay naman siya and very dependable. So I'm excited to build this up and then to have it on the bike. I mean in the bike. Okay, let's go. So kunin natin to. Maganda naman yung pagka-wrap. Medyo, I don't know if may mga tawag dyan, foam sa loob. And as you can see, may mga butas na. Siguro sa ano tawag dyan? Sa shipping. So, we're gonna take this off. So, yan. Okay, so ayan. Don't know if you can see that. Oops. Yan yung itsura niya. So, wala siyang mga foam sa loob para to prevent to, damage the item. So that's downside if you're gonna buy this thing, if you are very concerned about the packaging. So ganyan lang yung packaging niya. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out everything outside the box so that you can see. Okay, so ito yung una. Ito yung parang body niya. Okay, yan. Hope you can see that through the black background of my bed. And then I have 1, 2, yung parang arm niya for the paddock stand. And then also we have the swing arm mounts. Kasi 2-in-1 na paddock stand to. So it's very cheap with its price. That comes in a 2-in-1 paddock stand. Okay. So ayan. And then 4 na gulong. So you have 4 wheels. And okay naman yung quality naman yung wheels niya. Hindi siya mumurahin. Ayan. And then we have the mount for the spools. Okay, so dalawa. Meron tayong para sa swing arm right here. And then we have the spools. Lagay lang natin dyan. And of course, we have the screws right here. Yan. So sa screws, dalawang long. And then meron siyang ganito, parang lock niya. Okay. And then 4 Allen screws, and then we have lock screws, lock nuts, I think. So ayan, let's go ahead and pull out the box so that we can go ahead and assemble it together. Okay, let's go. Let's go ahead and try to assemble. So first off, eto muna. Okay. Then yung arm. Okay, so gagawin natin, lalagay muna natin yung yung gulong, which is right here. Actually 4 talaga yung gulong. Okay, so wala namang indication kung saan yung right and left. So I'm just gonna guess. Okay? So ayan. So ilagay natin yung yung gulong dito. Ayan, medyo nakikita nyo may off na spring. I'm gonna fix it. Yan, and then okay, so ayan, nassemble ko muna yung sa kabila. Ganyan yung itsura niya, as you can see. Yan. So you have 2 screws right here that goes on to that. Yan, ipapasok mo yung parang L shape niya dito, and then may dalawang screws. So lalagay natin yung dalawa pang screw dito. Okay, so ayan, tatighten natin yan. Then at the same time, kakabit natin yung dalawang wheels dito. So yung flathead niya dito sa labas. Yan. Yan. Then ito, lock nut niya. So basically ayan yung tsura niya. Hindi pa tighten yung bolts. Ta-tighten ko lang later. Yan. And then on the top, oops, tanggal. Papakita ko lang sa inyo. Ito. Yan. Ito yung parang lock niya. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten everything so I can show you how it looks like when everything is set up. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so that's it. It's a paddock stand for a motorcycle. I know it's not that really big of a deal, but I really wanted this item since I bought the bike because one, it helps a lot on the maintenance, you know, cleaning the chains, maintenance on the bike on the rear end. It's very helpful if you have the motorcycle on the stand so you can do its thing. And number two, it looks awesome when the bike is in that stand. And right now I'm very eager to go outside and try the paddock stand if I can go ahead and mount the bike by myself without dropping the motorcycle. So I'm really looking forward to that. So let's go ahead, go outside and try it out. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so andito tayo sa labas. Right now it's nighttime and it's the best way for me to take a video of this because everyone is asleep and wala masyadong ingay. No unnecessary noise. So right there, as you can see, the paddock stand is right there. So I already practiced the routine on how to do it earlier kasi I don't want to fail in front of the camera. Ayan. So, I don't know if you can see it, but I already set up the swing arms because I don't have a spool yet. So, already set up the swing arms. What's the distance of the swing arm on the right side and on the left side? Because as you can see, ayan, my swing arm, meron akong parang crash guard dito, and then sa may kabila wala akong crash guard dyan, so mas it's easier for me to mount on this side than on the other side. Okay, so let me go ahead and position the swing arm first so that mapasok natin. Okay. Okay, so before tayo magtaas ng paddock stand, ipapwesto muna natin ganyan. As you can see, medyo tumatama yung ito dito, so I have to move it forward right here. There. So that the swing arm mount is depending on your swing arm. As you can see, mine is rightly flat on the back end, so medyo uusog ko, or I'm gonna move it backward so that it can support the bike. Yan. And on the other side, as you can see, medyo maluwag siya. Yan. Because the bike right now is tilted on the left, but it's gonna hit this when we are gonna straighten up the bike. Okay, so we're just gonna position it so that whenever we're straight and we're good, we're gonna pull the paddock stand. Okay, so let's go. Just wanted to make sure that everything is positioned. Yan. So if it's already positioned on the left side, we can adjust it later when the bike is straight up. One thing to consider when you are trying to mount the bike on the paddock stand is to, shift the bike into a gear so that it won't move when you're trying to mount it, and at the same time put the kickstand up so that when the bike is gonna fall, it will have something to catch it. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna try to mount it. Okay. Yan, so nakaposisyon na siya. Then hihilain ko yung bike straight. Yan. Then I'm gonna double check everything kung okay na. Yan. Okay, wait. Yan. Pull on the bike. There. Woohoo! So as you can see, naka-mount na siya. It's that really easy. The paddock stand is gonna do its thing once it has the weight of the bike, and then the bike is straight up. Okay, so ganyan yung itsura niya. Ayan. So, di ba guys, mas attractive yung bike if naka-mount siya sa paddock stand. Ayan. And another note, it's easier to clean the chains kasi ayan, pwede mo siyang ikutin without moving the bike. Ayan. Ayan, and I know it's dark. The video is not that bright or clear to you. I'm very sorry, pero excited na kasi ako mag-mount ng paddock stand sa bike. So I hope you learned a thing or two with paddock stand. The next videos that I'm going to create is, changing oil of the bike, do it yourself, cleaning the air filter, and then changing the oil filter to a washable one for my Yamaha MT-15. So stay tuned. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe, and then follow my social media accounts. Okay, so until next time, I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.